Hello everyone, welcome to this week's edition of the Fibonacci Review. Today I'm looking at the foreign currency pair, the Great British Pound against the US dollar. Now these foreign exchange markets are massive. Literally billions and billions of dollars changes hands every single day as companies import, export, they have to pay for goods, they've got to transfer US dollars to pounds and vice versa. So we've got a fabulous 24-hour, 5-day-a-week market we can trade in. Now, the fact that the Fibonacci series works here proves its value. We have to simply put the Fibonacci retracement tool on the chart, and then we watch to see what this billion-dollar-a-day market does when it gets to these levels. And for individual traders, it can produce some fantastic early warning clues. Now, in Optima, what I'm going to do is to take the Fibonacci retracement tool, and I'm going to take it from the last major low of January 13, 2025, and you can see that we can bring that up. Now, the first peak that the market made was here, and that was in July 2025. The pound has got very, very strong through here. What we're going to do is just move that across to the right-hand side, and we'll just anchor that right on the low. And you can see that after the market made that peak, it came back, it sat on the 23.6% level, did a quick counter trend for 3 to 4 days. And when the market comes back and breaks below that, if it breaks below that level, that's a warning to me that this market's got further to decline, or that the pound's going to weaken a little bit further. And you can see that it came back to the 38.2%, which is the exact technical opposite of the 61.8. So you've got 61.8 down from the top, and 61 point up from the bottom is this line here. And that's the 38.2% level. And as you can see, the market had a significant rally at this point. And again, for individual traders, looking what the market does when it gets to these levels gives us really powerful warning clues. Now, you can see that the market's just broken above the previous high, and there's absolutely no reason why you can't just move this tool now and anchor it to that next peak. Now we're going to watch to see what the market does when it gets down to these levels. Again, we had a quick bounce through here, only lasted a couple of days, and then it went back, and the most recent low, which occurred here early April, is perfectly on the 38.2% level between the major low and this new top. And again, you can see that it sat on the line, moved up, came back and retested it. One of my favorite trading patterns is a retest of previous support and resistance, exactly what the market's done here. And as you can see now, the pound's got stronger from 1.319, and we're now up to 136. So we're looking at a fabulous rally, great profits there. And all we had to do was have the Fibonacci tool in place and watch what the market does when it gets to these very powerful levels. I hope that makes sense for you, but of course, any questions or queries, you're welcome to send them through. See you again next week with another look at this fabulous Fibonacci technique in trading. Bye for now.